Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To be classified as a hurricane, a tropical cyclone must have 1-minute average maximum sustained winds at 10 meters above the surface of at least 74 miles per hour, Category 1. The highest classification in the scale, Category 5, consists of storms with sustained winds of at least 157 miles per hour.
Take our lead.
Inland flooding causes most hurricane deaths. In a new study that surprised weather specialists, it was discovered that between 1970 and 1999, inland flooding has claimed far more lives than storm surge, strong winds or tornadoes in the continental United States. Advertisement.
Let's help you make your mark.
Galveston Hurricane of 1900. The Galveston Hurricane of 1900 was, and still is, the deadliest hurricane to hit the United States. The hurricane hit Galveston, Texas, on September 8, 1900, as a Category 4 hurricane.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.